Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So if you're going to be doing a gingerbread theme for Christmas this year, you might want to check out these shopping finds at Walmart. Okay, they have some gingerbread stuff that is looking so good. I love the ornaments. They have so many of them to choose from. They have gingerbread houses. They even have really cute stocking holders and some ornaments that are gonna match the theme perfectly. Okay, and you'll see all of that coming up. So yeah, you guys, I wanted to show you this quick look at what's in Walmart for the gingerbread theme this year. I'm gonna put on some music. It's been a while since we had a Christmas song that actually, you know, has some vocals and some vibes going. So I'll let you hear some Christmas music and pop back in with you in just a few.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share the video with someone who might want to see it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.